So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Sansai in Chiang Mai, northern Thailand. And today, I'm a little bit excited about this place actually. We're going to see this brand new housing complex called the Brit. So the same as me. And this is it, look, the Brit, Chiang Mai, modern British houses. And it all looks a bit snazzy up here, mate. And I've got the chance to come and have a look at a house from Andy. Remember Andy that showed us the joint venture place? The place that was not finished. Hey, it's a bit upmarket. Look at all the workers here. Hundreds of them. They're not doing much, standing around. And the monument. We've got Andy and we've got Patty again. How are you, Patty? You're becoming a star on my channel now. Right, so we're on the wagon, guys. We've got Kerry here with us. She's gonna show us a place for rent and for purchase. And foreigners can purchase here.
We have 5 types.
5 types?
A, B, C, D, E.
Right, so these are the smallest ones?
Yes. The type A is twin house.
Twin house.
It's small house. And we don't have show house right now.
Right,
so
okay.
we can see the B first.
The B. The B
Yes.
is how many bedrooms?
4 bedroom.
4 bedrooms. Wow,
Yes.
they look nice, yeah. Right, so this is a different type of B.
315 years.
315 square meters.
Yes.
I like the design there. I kind of like it.
This house is so big.
Okay, let's have a look. Take shoes off. So this is a show house.
Yes.
I like it better than some of the other ones we see. I think I can spot a swimming pool out there too. So this would be your I didn't see. Yeah, really high, right? Yeah, very, very high. Look, that's nice, right? I like that. Yeah. So does every house have a swimming pool?
Oh, not every house.
Right. Just the special ones.
Yes, the special ones.
Okay.
And type C.
And type C. Hey, this is nice, right? Get your small private pool out the back here. I don't see very many British houses like this. Not this style. Let's have a look around here. Definitely a different design. So your kitchen, you go down a level, look. And you've got, looks like a small bit here. And yeah, 2 sort of kitchens. I should be asking Carrie really. I will in a minute. Out here you've got like your washing. It's different, isn't it? And then your toilet in here. This place is for rent or buy?
This is for buy.
Right, and a foreigner can purchase here.
Yes, of course.
Can you tell me how that would work? How would a foreigner purchase a house here?
Just have someone have passport, you can buy this house.
Right.
Like you can have 90 years. You can do leasehold.
Leasehold 90 years.
Yes. 30 years, 30 years, 30 years.
Right. And everything would belong to you for 90 years.
Yes, if you buy the show house, whatever you see is yours.
Right.
Yes. And
Okay.
if you buy the ready house, what you see is yours.
Okay.
You can control this house, you can use this house. Yes.
Okay, you can do anything you want.
Yes, you can do anything you want on this 90.
Okay, 22 million.
Yes.
Right.
For this house.
About for show house.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yes. The ready house is like 70 million or 18.
Right, that's the cheapest ones.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is ready house. No sofa, no chairs.
Yeah. So looks like we got a downstairs office here, which is nice. You could make it into a bedroom. And another downstairs toilet. I think I see one over there. Yes, that's 2 downstairs. Now we will we'll look upstairs. This feels sort of like plasticky paint. Okay, so you come up to, there's levels up here as well. I like this. You got your first bedroom here, look. First bedroom. Got your wardrobe. I thought it was a walk-in wardrobe, but no, you got your desk there and everything. There is a walk-in wardrobe, I do believe. Or was that? Oh, it's your ensuite. Wow, bathtub. Got your bathtub, small one. That's like the new, ain't that like a jacuzzi as well? Where you sit in it, I think it does do it all right. So then you go up the steps again. Kerry's here waiting for us, look. And this is another bedroom. Andy's becoming popular on the channel now too. Okay, so this is, I think this one's a little bit smaller, but it's nice. Got your ensuite again. Shower, no bathtub in this one. And then you go across to the hall, and I suppose this is the master bedroom.
No, not yet.
Oh, this is not the master.
Daughter?
Ah, this is number 3. So the master's in a minute, guys. We always have to do the bed test. It's, yeah, quite stiff. And we just showed the bathroom here. Then Patty's gonna show us the master. Oh, I've seen this one.
Yeah, that one is master bedroom.
This one. Yes. Ah, yeah, we've seen this one. So that is for 3 bedrooms or 4?
Upstairs have 3.
And one downstairs, yeah.
You know that one is an import from Italy.
Import from Italy.
Italy, right? Yes.
It's like a matte finish on it. Right, everything from Italy. Right, so this one's not for rent as well, but foreigner can buy it. You don't need Thai wife, nothing. I didn't know you could do that, but well, it's for 90 years. It's a lot of money. It's a nice house, but is it anything out of the ordinary? Don't get me wrong, I'd love to live here. You got your double garage. Oh, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 1 living room, 2 kitchens. Right, guys, so you can just get one without all the bells and whistles. Empty house for 12 million, a B one. Is that what we're going to see? We can see now, or?
Of course, you can see.
I'm with 3 ladies. Yeah. It's a good day for me. So they're all the same sort of design, same looking. So we're going to look at the 12 million one now.
No, not this one.
The show house is 18 million, but like this, the ready house is 12 million.
This is an empty B.
Yes.
Empty house.
Right, so this is what most of my guys would probably be more interested in. Just a normal empty house. So it's the same layout as the showroom one. Same sort of design.
Oh no.
Right.
But if you want to do the same with show house, you can do it.
Okay.
You can
It looks. Oh no. I see. So you're not getting the extra kitchen on these ones.
Yes, something is ready about it.
Yeah, and no swimming pool, obviously. So you just got like a small garden out there. But still nice, a 12 million, this one. 12 million, hey, we out, man. But nice, right? Lots of lights coming in. And it's high again. We'll just have a quick look upstairs. We got a bedroom down here again. Small one, look. So it's just like you haven't got the outside space again, and the toilet down there. Still got the lovely paintwork, matte. I do like that. 3 big windows lit. Matey's got his swimming pool over there. Happy days. Hey, nice big room with your ensuite. Yeah, that one, I just said that one looks nice. Somebody live in that one already?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Yeah, got you have a small bedroom, look. and your bathroom. Have a look. This is the master, maybe. Okay, so you're overlooking some factories. This one. Ah, this one. Ah, this one was the master. I can't tell on this place. Yeah, so that one was looking out over with the nice windows. The brick, very British brick. Yes. Yeah. My granny used to have.
Like this?
Yeah, all her house, same. Right, so now we're going to see the A class, which is the cheapest. I know a lot of you guys probably prefer that. I didn't even know this was here. The Brit.
Yes. We can see someone in twin house.
Twin house?
Yes. The type A is twin house.
Okay, these are the type A.
Like two house.
I see.
It's like two family.
Right. Right, so these are the type A. Cheapest ones. Don't look bad, do it?
915.
915.
The price.
Okay.
And this one here is 173.
Take off here. This one looks clean.
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Put it up on the screen. Forget what it is again. Your basic one. So it's like your not studio, but your simple house, right? It's not the kitchen, is it?
Like Chinese, like cook something. They can cook in theirs. And
Okay.
there's open kitchen.
Yeah. So they've utilised the space. I mean, you could have the doors open, look, but that's yeah, quite tiny.
Not every this is already house.
What would this be then? If that's your dining room, your kitchen's over there, I suppose this is your living room. You'd have the TV here. Let's have a quick look upstairs. But that's nice, right? 3 bedroom. So just like your basic, what I grew up in, really, in England. Council estate house. Just you walk up to your hallway and 3 doors off to the bedrooms. Sweating, man. Oh. That's nice, right? Not lots of light coming in. We won't hang about here because I think Andy wants us to see another place on a different estate, so we'll do it. Now we're here. Because these are always good fillers, you know, these vlogs. You can always sit on them for a couple of weeks and, yeah, don't put them up all together, the house in ones, just every now and then. Yeah, it does remind me of my house, actually, growing up. This is all we sort of had. Then you've got a small balcony area. You can go out. The garden ain't much, but yeah, that's what you're getting for your money, innit? I kinda like it. If you was on your own, you could have the doors open. 2 parking spaces. So yeah, it's a bit complicated, isn't it? 90 years, I don't know, something you would need to look into more. But you can do it. They look nice if it was like that, right? Bit of forest outside.
You're a YouTuber?
I am, yes.
Wow, I can follow you.
Yeah.
You follow right now.
You will be on the channel.
You follow right now.
Yeah, follow. There you go. Type A from England, English house. Easy money. I like that you get the double garage as well, even on the smaller one, which is good. Right, so we're just going to have a look at the communal stuff here. Oh, I'm sweating. Wow.
For kids.
This is like the communal pool. Got a slide there. Nice size. One for the kiddies. And you've got your saunas and steam room. I see. So if you buy a house, you can use this anytime.
Yes, you can
Alright.
use it anytime. It's all free.
Sauna, steam room, it's all free. So that's what I was trying to ask before, if there was extras. There you go, look, I'm not going to go too mad showing you a steam room. You know what it's like, got your changing rooms, toilets, and you have fitness here.
And upstairs is free.
Oh, it's upstairs. Very grand, that opening. Let's have a look. Ah, this is the fitness. Oh yeah, like a co-working space, meeting room. Right, so you don't have no equipment yet? Oh, this is, what's this? Ah, I see. Oh, somebody in there, so we won't film them. But yeah, this is nice, right? Look. Yeah, this is lovely, actually. You can even sit down after, do a drink. Yeah, that's your gym. And you can use this any time you want, within reason, when it's open. Looks grand, that there. Right, I think that's it from this place, guys. There's your communal pool. Right, so what we're doing now, we're going to see this other place quickly, which is 15 minutes away in San Campang. So I'm going to get on Lucille, we're going to get over there, and we might as well check this place out as well. So let's do this.